10 ways to make money from home online in 2023-2024. The world is becoming more virtual, increasing the number of ways you can make money online. An online work-from-home situation offers a lot of perks, including flexibility, a comfortable environment, and no stressful commute. Whether you're stuck in an office and ready to make a change, or just looking for a convenient way to make money on the side, check out this list of options. 10 ways to make money online in 2023. 1. Start a blog. If you love to write and have something useful or inspiring to say, consider starting a blog. A blog is a website where you regularly share your ideas or expertise with your readers. Before you start sharing your thoughts, you need to create a website. You can hire someone to build it for you or do it yourself. Website builders like Squarespace make it really easy to put together a website on your own, even with no previous experience. Once your site is up, it's all about writing good content consistently and promoting your blog to attract readers and subscribers. If you want to monetize your blog, you need an audience. Then you can use methods like affiliate marketing, earning income through product recommendations and ads. You can also create your own product or service and sell it on your website. 2. Complete online surveys. If you're looking to get rich, online surveys are not the way to do it. However, you can earn other rewards by sharing your opinions on different products or websites like Survey Junkie. By filling in surveys, you make some extra cash to spend on daily expenses such as gas and groceries, or you get gift cards for different stores and restaurants like Amazon, Walmart, and Target. 3. Start a side hustle. Having a side hustle or side gig, in addition to a full-time job, is pretty normal these days. Many people make a decent amount of money using side hustle apps such as DoorDash or Uber. If you don't want to go door-to-door delivering food, or don't have a car, or the car insurance needed to become an Uber driver, you can look for other opportunities. With apps like TaskRabbit or Handy, you can get hired for random odd jobs in your neighborhood. If you want a side hustle that gets you outside and moving, check out the Rover app to find dog walking clients. 4. Create a YouTube channel. If you've always dreamed of being the next big YouTube star, now's your chance. To make money on YouTube, you need views and subscribers, lots of them. To qualify for the YouTube Partner Program, you need at least 1,000 subscribers with 4,000 public watch hours over the last 12 months, or 1,000 subscribers with 10 million public short video views over the last 90 days. If you can meet these criteria, it's possible to earn money. Using your YouTube channel, you can try to profit from advertising revenue, channel membership, and selling merchandise in your YouTube store. 5. Become a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is a remote worker who offers administrative support to different clients. Successful virtual assistants are organized, reliable, and tech-savvy. The exact job tasks you will do as a virtual assistant can vary greatly based on your skill set as well as what your client wants. Some services you might offer include responding to emails, scheduling client meetings and appointments, transcribing documents, and coordinating travel or bookkeeping. If you already have administrative experience, this can make it easier to break into the industry, but it's not necessary. You can start to look for clients using platforms like Belay, Upwork, and Zirtual. 6. Test websites and apps. If you like being paid to take surveys, you might also enjoy earning money or rewards to test websites and apps. Instead of answering questions about specific products, you get to use websites and apps and provide your feedback. Similar to taking surveys, you aren't going to earn enough to replace your full-time job. But it is a fun way to get paid for your perspective. If you're interested, you can check out sites like User Testing, UserPeak, and Userlytics. In addition to your computer, you will often need a microphone to participate. 7. Freelance writing. To become a freelance writer, you need to be a good writer, a strong researcher, and possess good organizational and time management skills. You don't need a degree in journalism or English literature, though it doesn't hurt. To start making money, you should have a portfolio with a few writing samples to share with potential clients. You can create a free writing portfolio on sites such as Contently and Muckrack. To find clients, you can use online job boards. 3 options: Upwork, Fiverr, and ProBlogger. However, there's a lot of competition on these sites and the pay is often low. Once you have some experience, you can start to pitch clients on your own and increase your rates accordingly. 8. Dropshipping. Dropshipping allows you to sell a product online without having to keep stock. Using a dropshipping app, your customers can buy products from your online store that then ship directly from your supplier to your customer. To make money, you charge a slightly higher fee than your supplier and keep the profit. Before diving into the world of dropshipping, make sure you carefully research the product you want to sell and the wholesaler from which you plan to buy. To stay competitive, compare prices set by other buyers to determine what you should charge. There are a number of fraud issues around dropshipping, so proceed with caution. 9. Print on demand. Print on demand (POD) lets you add your own designs to white label products supplied by a third party on a per-order basis. Popular POD items include t-shirts, coffee mugs, tote bags, and socks. A benefit of POD is it eliminates the need to stock inventory, as everything is handled by the printing company. Many POD websites make it easy to set up your store and select products that you want to add your designs to. These companies will also print your designs and ship the products. To create your designs, you can use websites like Canva, or you can hire someone else to create designs using sites like Fiverr or Upwork. To make money, you purchase your custom product for one price, let's say $10. Sell it for a markup, $22, and keep the profit. 10. Sell photos online. Whether you're shooting on the newest iPhone or the latest Canon DSLR, you can sell photos online as a photographer. Partner with a local printer to print your photos on specialty paper or other materials, or invest in a high-quality home printer. You can ship and sell numbered and signed versions of your photos directly to customers through your website. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.